This is a £100,000 camper van. It's got a bed,
a shower,
a TV, a kitchen, and a whole lot more.
And this is a £1,500 camper van with all the same features. Well, sort of.
We'll put our campers head to head in a series of challenges, testing things like cooking, sleeping, and entertainment to see which one comes out on top. But first, let's have a look around.
Now, you haven't seen yours yet, you don't know what's in it, so should we start with mine?
Let's start with a cheap one, shall we?
Wow! Could you remove your shoes?
Yes.
I don't need to because it's my where I'm standing.
Sorry.
Oh, that was a good
Sorry.
hit. I like to entertain, so this is where I just like, we have free drinks here. And...
I like your stargazing. May I? Thank you.
Yes, of course, go ahead. Do you want to leg up? Jesus Christ, man, you're so heavy.
Sorry.
So this is the kitchen area. Fridge.
It's stacked with a lettuce.
Yeah,
We don't need that.
I don't know, actually, that's it. Right, I invite you round as a guest and you're throwing my lettuce out the door.
I'm sorry.
Right, so we've got a cooker.
Does it work? Oh! So is this your central heating?
No, it has its own heating. Not only is it my shower, but it doubles up as my toilet.
Wow!
Now I can and shower at the same time.
Mine.
What's your
I don't
socks?
have any shoes on. This is good.
Good, you look good in there actually.
Just give me a few minutes.
Actually, do you want to cut? Do you want to cut there? Yeah. Okay. All right. This is sort of the living / dining area.
May I?
Yeah, come in.
Thank you. Oh, and you have a PS5.
I was surprised you knew what that was. You're more like Sega Mega Drive sort of generation,
Abacus.
right?
Abacus.
Abacus, yeah. The stick and wheel.
Are we sleeping in this together?
No, you've got a whole different sleeping arrangement.
Oh, I've got the expensive one, don't I?
It's more inventive, your one. Before we carry on with the video, a shout out from this week's sponsor, Omaze.
You could win your very own decked out Sprinter worth around $150,000. The Sprinter comes with an $80,000 eco-friendly VanSmith campervan customization, allowing you to go on a luxury trip whenever you want, all while supporting a great cause, the Justin J. Watt Foundation. The Justin J. Watt Foundation is an after-school opportunities program that allows middle school-age kids to participate in athletics and build accountability, teamwork and leadership skills.
What would you do if you won that camper, Alex?
I'd take it to the Nürburgring.
Would you?
I'd drive it on the Nürburgring.
You'd set a time?
Yeah, with you sleeping in the back.
That sounds good, actually.
Yeah.
Omaze, you need to make that happen.
So for your chance to win a Mercedes Sprinter van with an additional $80,000 eco-friendly VanSmith customization, go to omaze.com/Car Throttle Sprinter and enter now.
Just poke that pole in that hole.
Yeah, have you done this before?
No, I haven't. I haven't done this before, but how hard can it be? Everyone's got to do something for the first time, haven't they, really? Like with everything.
Keep going.
How do you learn? Sling them locks in. Then you just want to put your support bracket in just up there. Just that one, just got to...
Wow. It's cows.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Your camper van is on its way, actually.
Yeah, speaking of which, I would quite like to...
Do you want to see it? Well, you've been very busy, so Edwin is actually taking care of the build of this for you. Actually, Edwin, do you want to go and get the camper for...
What's that?
That's it.
That?
Yeah.
What's this?
This is a Mercedes Veneo.
But that's supposed to be the expensive one.
What a machine. Give it a chance. Let me ask you this first.
Yes.
When was the last time you saw a Mercedes Veneo?
Scrapyard?
Correct. 20 on the road.
Really?
20. Feast your eyes. First question you ask, where are you going to sleep?
Yeah.
Right?
I am asking that.
Right, what's this?
Yeah. How much did this cost?
1,500 Great British pounds.
That's probably the same amount as that awning.
Right.
That looks really comfortable. Wow, and then I've got my outside seating area.
Can you see where this is going?
I can see that this is going to turn into a master bedroom.
Not only a master bedroom, all seats come out, it becomes a Z3 M Coupe. 2-door wagon.
I don't remember a Z3 M Coupe having sliding doors.
It's blue as well.
Oh yes. Estoril blue?
Well, lovely.
Lever.
There you go, that's, yeah. That's your table. I tried to put that seat up in the driver's for you.
I do need that actually.
Yeah,
this is very useful. Kitchen,
Kitchen.
just like Jack.
Now this, look, don't say that I don't think of you.
It's an electric blanket. Jack, where's your electric blanket?
I've got heating, so I don't need it.
Who says that Alex doesn't have heating?
Yeah, do I have heating? Excuse me. This is state of the art. We'll just leave that there.
Isn't that full of oil?
Yep.
Oh, this is my gaming station. I've never learned how to play cards.
What do you mean you never learned how to play cards? What are you talking about?
I've never learned
What
how
do
to
you
play
mean?
cards.
Oh, you got Battleships though, you ever played that?
I have, I don't like it. I prefer Connect 4. Sorry, Jack. Oh, excuse me.
That's fine, we don't need that
Oh my
one.
God. Get more kitchen. This is my fridge.
This is your fridge, and it's fully decked out.
It's stocked, full of wraps. It's the wrong kind.
What do you mean it's the wrong kind? It's the correct kind.
That's not candy.
That's the correct kind.
Get that out of my sight.
Don't.
Get that out of my sight immediately. And we have my favourite raw chicken breast. I like a chicken breast wrap with
That's for tomorrow.
with beans.
The last part of your entertainment package I thought would be nice.
Is that a harmonica?
We were thinking you could do some campsite blues for us.
That is the one.
The Vaneo blues.
That is the one instrument I really want to play. I'm going to do a Shawshank Redemption. He never plays. He never plays. That's deep, isn't it?
That was really good.
That's deep. Right, so we're going to put my owling up now. This, I feel, is going to be slightly less complicated than your budget camper van.
How big do you want it?
I want it massive. I want it bigger than Jack's.
Okay, I don't think that's a problem.
Do a flip. Maybe I should just strap it to Jack's awning.
That could work.
For the shot, let's just let go, get the shot, and then we'll be good. 3, 2, 1, owling.
Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh.
What?
Why is it almost like it's
Uh-oh,
better
he's
than
got a new
candy?
favourite, hasn't he? Look at him.
Wow.
Whoa, that's
What?
the face. That's the
Shut
face.
up.
That's the face of a man with a mouthful of chocolate.
Now we've got secret storage in the Vaneo. It's full of surprises, right? See this? Yeah. No, carry on. Do carry on. It's savor every moment.
I'm gonna shit after this.
Inside, you find a portable camp shower.
Wow. I feel like this is like air freshener gate all over again, where there's just secrets everywhere.
Well, listen, for this time I'm using the secrets for good. This is your shower. Your shower mounts to this. You use the Earth's gravity.
That's better. That's got more pressure than my house. How is that sticking to that?
Because it's the Mercedes Vaneo. Yeah, you stick them on the glass here. Oh, you want around that side?
Yeah, well, no, because they're peeping Toms around,
Okay.
aren't they? Yeah.
Peeping Jacks.
So,
Anyone could lay on the floor.
like an animal?
Like an animal.
No, not me.
Not you.
No.
I present to you a hammock. Now, before we put it up, I have to show you, we actually have genuine engineering on Car Throttle for once.
What do you mean for once? Did you not see the Vauxhall Amiga build?
Yeah, I did. Anyway, we've got an actual hook welded in with structure.
Oh, wow. Who did the welding?
You know, we don't need to go into that.
It wasn't you, was it?
Not only was it me,
Oh.
Ethan still has my welding helmet, so I only had a pair of safety squints.
Get your excuses in now.
Yeah.
My seat seems to be broken. I want a refund.
In every other country, the Vaneo's passenger seat comes out,
Oh, except for this one.
except for the UK. In the Mercedes toolkit, you got these.
Okay, that's handy. So should I get to work?
Here you go, yeah.
Thank you.
There's a service manual in there if you'd like to do it by the book, but
Ooh. And then I've got my outdoor seating area.
watch the leather that's not leather. Right, clip that in.
Yeah.
If you're on it. Well, okay.
There we go.
Right.
That was easy.
Look at that.
Wow.
Are you genuinely not impressed? So excited, you can't stop him.
Oh my word. Oh my God. That is the best thing I've seen.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a beautiful good night's sleep.
Look like a Metapod or something.
Well, thank you, Edwin. Thank you. Where's my Winnebago? Who's hungry?
With the tours completed, we used our campers to make dinner.
That's nice.
Oh, just get the mince out of my fridge. Where's my seasoning?
I'm gonna give you some seasoning.
I don't want that seasoning. Where's my bag of seasoning? I just washed that. Well, how am I going to do chips? I could do them in the oven, but that's going to be preheating my buns, thank you very much.
I'm outdoors.
You haven't got an oven, have you? Or a bun?
What?
Look at this mess that you've made.
It's a working kitchen. What do you expect?
It's a Vaneo.
Do you know what this would go well with? Hummus.
Look in the back door of the... No, I'm joking.
Oh no!
Mashing my mince up, just absolutely beating my meat in here.
Right, who wants a wrap? Oh wow! Half has just gone into his mouth.
Where's my gas gone?
That's quite good.
Is it?
That's good.
Yeah.
It just hit the back of my throat though.
Edwin, you ready for this burger, man? It's going to be like a really subpar. I'll be honest, I haven't enjoyed this. They look like loads of fun out there. Hell, I'm done.
Okay.
Oh, that's a juicy burg.
Is it as good as that chicken wrap? I'm sorry to say it's no.
What are you talking about?
Is it because of a very important missing
It
ingredient?
literally is because
There's
of
no
that
cheese
one.
in it!
With our dinner sorted, it was time to relax for the evening.
What's the entertainment like in your camper? Camping's good, isn't it?
F-U.
F-U?
F-U.
It's a letter and a number, man.
Can I have a go?
Not really. Why do you have to pick it up every time? I'm gonna make a move, man. So how does this compare to entertainment in Livernow? I mean, it is nice having the luxury of TV and PlayStation and all that stuff, but sometimes you want to go camping to get away from that.
You
don't
do want to get away from it.
Yeah. Sometimes you want some maniac serenading you with a harmonica, don't you?
Indeed you do. You know what? It's your lucky night. You have a bed, I have a hammock.
Speaking of which, I need to set mine up, so do you want to...
Well, no, let's play
Okay, we'll finish this.
this.
I'll sink your battleships, then we'll get to sleep.
All right.
After a win for the Sprinter, we both set up our beds for the night.
Oh God, this is not what you want to be doing right before bed. Yes. Says double bed. I don't know about that.
And now it's time for me to retire to bed. I'm going to take my heater with me.
It's quite warm.
Right, good night everyone.
I'll let you know in the morning how good it is.
Oh, thank you. That was really good. That was way better than I thought it was going to be. That was a 10 out of 10, that was, for sleeping in vehicles. Wonder how Alex is getting on. Hello. You got your blanket plugged in? Oh, it's warm in there. There we go.
To go. That piece of shit is too hot and it's too cold, and then the radiators were just always too hot.
It is radiating heat. Is that why you're opening the windows?
It's just all wrong. I can honestly say with great authority that has been the worst experience in a motor vehicle. And I've crashed cars before.
Wow, that's bold.
As a sleeping experience, I want to go 0.
0.
Solid 0.
I went for a 10 in the camper.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. With our day started, we both decided to take a quick shower.
Right, so if I remember correctly, this is my shower curtain, aka sarong. It's already got mud on it. Brilliant. I'm going to put one there. And then I'll just put that there. You know what, I'm not doing this.
Oh, he's not having a good time with that, is he? Oh, that's a bit too warm, that.
That was amazing.
I'm not doing it. I'm not showering outside in that.
Why?
Can I use your shower?
You know, the trouble is with this shower though, it's so nice you don't really want to get out, so if you want to run that risk, that's fine.
I concede, you can have this one.
So out of the two, which camper do you reckon's come out on top?
I would say definitely the Mercedes.
Yes, I think you're right.
Right? We'll go with the bigger one.
Yeah, we'll go with the bigger one.
Yeah. Sleeping in a hammock, no good. Trying to shower outside when it's raining, also no good.
No.
Trying to cook, doable, but it's nice in here, especially when it's raining.
I think when you were cooking outside though, that was more like rustic camping. I like the look of that. But everything else, you need one of these.
You want to go for the expensive one. You want to have the comforts of home,
Yeah.
but in a nice location.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Yeah.
And that's why this is the winner.
Yes. And you had a shower.
And I had a very lovely hot shower.
Yeah, and I'm still wearing the same clothes from yesterday.
You slept in a bag.
Yes, yeah.
For your chance to win an epic sprinter just like this, go to amaze.com/Car Throttle Sprinter and enter.
Donations support the Justin J. Watt Foundation, which helps middle school age kids find a love for athletics through after school activities.
Thanks guys for watching. You can subscribe here and more videos down here.
Can we eat?
Yeah, we can eat.
Let's eat.
Egg.
Sauce.